This is problem number 7 on the sample test problems for test number 2. Let h of x be the high temperature recorded in Greenfield on the xth day of 2008, measured in degrees Fahrenheit. A, h of 61 equals 40. Explain what this means in real world terms. Okay, so we need to figure out what the 61 means. The 61 is the x. X is the particular day of 2008. On the 61st day of 2008, something happened. Something has to do with the 40. 40 is the H value, which is the high temperature recorded in Greenfield. And here we're measuring in degrees Fahrenheit. Part B, h of 91 equals 52. Explain what this means in real world terms. Okay, I'm going to be really lazy and say it's exactly the same idea. On the 91st day of 2008, the high temperature recorded in Greenfield was 52 degrees Fahrenheit. Part C, given that h of 61 equals 40 and h of 91 equals 52, find the average rate of change of h from t equals 61 to t equals 91. Include units. Okay, this phrase, average rate of change, is just a definition. I'm going to abbreviate rate of change by ROC. And the definition is f of b minus f of a over b minus a. And in our case, the inputs were 61 and 91. F of 91 minus f of 61 divided by 91 minus 61. So the pattern always looks like that. Those numbers are supposed to be the same, and these numbers are supposed to be the same. You can see them there. All right, and there was nothing saying I had to subtract in this order. I could have done f of 61 minus f of 91 over 61 minus 91. We would get the same answer at the end. Okay, what does this equal? Well, f of 91 is 52. Oh, I see that I've been using f's. Maybe we should change them to h's. F was my generic name for a function, but this particular function is capital H. Okay, so let's try this again. Highlighted in blue up there says that h of 91 is 52. So this is 52 minus, and then h of 61 is 40. So it's 52 minus 40. Divided by 91 minus 61 is 30. So upstairs we get 12 divided by 30. And we can reduce because 6 goes into both of these. 2/5. And so we can include units on that right now. Remember, the units are just the h units divided by the whatever units are downstairs. Those are t's. So the h units up above were degrees Fahrenheit. So this is 2 degrees Fahrenheit. And then the value downstairs was 91 minus 61. Those are both number of days. So that's 2 degrees Fahrenheit per 5 days. That is to say, the average rate of change between those 2 points was 2 degrees Fahrenheit per every 5 days. So like every 5 days that passed, the average temperature was 2 degrees more. If you prefer writing it as a decimal, you can write it as a 0.4. Still the same units, but this does have maybe a nicer interpretation, because if I really wanted to, I could force a number down there, force that 1. And so what that would mean is that temperatures increased by 0.4 degrees Fahrenheit per day.